Hey guys, good morning, Tony here. So I did tell you guys in my last video, if you guys give me at least 50 likes, I will release the GameStop video that I wanted to release. I haven't looked at it, but I will still give it to you guys anyways. Please go back to my previous video and this video and give me as many likes as you possibly can. I think the previous video got like 50 likes. I would definitely want to hit that in either the last video that I released or this GameStop one. And this is essentially how I am hedging. Basically hedging my shorts on Forex is with longs on GameStop, and it's because we actually closed a perfect entry on the bull side this past Friday. Every single instance of us closing a perfect entry, we've ended up rallying, $16, $10, $20, $62, right? Usually in the next week or two. I am expecting to possibly go to $36, $37 sometime by the end of this Friday or by the end of next Friday. I actually ended up purchasing about a month out. 1 month out calls for GameStop for the $35 strike. Again, this is, do your own research, not financial advice, do whatever you want. Historically though, perfect entries do not tend to be wrong with my indicators, right, for GameStop. So especially right now, since we are trading above major trend, you did break it, come back, and you're actually trading on trend right now. So I do think that we have a really solid chance over the next month or so, possibly run to back to 37, if not $63 or so. I do think it's highly likely. I do think we could definitely peak out at around like $47 or so for a GameStop. But again, this is what I'm doing to hedge. I am more than likely going to be buying GameStop calls for maybe a longer dated price, so maybe like a month and a half or 2 months out for the $35 strike. Again, everything is still relatively cheap. If you guys think this is gonna run, I think it is. I think in the next possibly 2 weeks or so. Usually it ends up taking 7 days from that close. 7 days, 2 weeks max. So I do think that by this Friday we'll probably see a $35 strike. If not by next Friday, we'll see 35, possibly higher. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.